Who's there? Who do I have here?
Madeline and Braden decorating.
What are you decorating?
A Christmas tree.
Oh.
Oh, the Christmas lights are on outside. Mom, can we go and see them?
Okay, let's talk about the Christmas tree. What are you guys doing to that first?
We're decorating it, aren't we, Braden?
Braden, what are you putting on the tree?
Come on, let's decorate the tree together. Mama wants to videotape us. Yikes.
I don't know. You can just do it a little at a time and see.
Big hot pastrami. Oh, pastrami is all you gotta say. The Subway Big Hot Pastrami is piled high.
Which one you putting on, Braden? What's your favorite color?
Green.
Do you like those ones?
You want to put one on the tree?
How old are you guys? Tell me how old you are.
This one says tail. How old you are? How old you are? 2.5.
2.5.
How old am I? 5 years.
December 8th, 2013. You guys are doing a very good job on the tree. All right, everybody say goodbye.
Bye.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry